Hello my dear students. Today we are going to see our 4.5 poem Tansen as a revision purpose. In short summary I will tell there. Miss Tansen was the singer in great Akbar's court, and he won great fame, means great rewards, and his voice rang out like a silver bell. Okay, in the means Badshah's court, and Akbar felt it is a very tremendous, means when Akbar listened to Tansen, that time he feel very tremendous, or he get there many joyful movement. Okay, and that's why King Miss Akbar praised him, and he also rewarded him with the many jewels, and called him the chief jewel in his crown. Okay, one day Tansen sang the song of fire, the Deepak Raga, with such intensely that his body burst into flames like a pyre. And for that, to cure his burning body and heart, a maiden sang Mallar. Okay, means Mallar Raga, and the song of cold water. Means that Mallar Raga is a song of cold water, and Deepak Raga is a song of fire. Okay, and his health returned to normal as before. Okay, Akbar told Tansen that his teacher must be really a great person. His teacher must be a divine. Okay, or divine means such a god. And because Tansen learned such a magic at the feet of his guru or his teacher, Tansen bowed happily and said that his teacher lived in a means far away cave in the Himalayas, and far away from the crowd, and he means shunned their earthly wealth. And Akbar asked if he could meet, means Akbar wished if he could meet to just once to his guru or his teacher, but he was all ready to forget his position and walk in the clothes of a poor man. Means that time Akbar is ready to change his position of the king, and he means wore their clothes like a poor man. Okay, because maybe if he went there to his real position, maybe his teacher is not talk with him, and that's why Akbar changed his clothes like a poor man, and he want to just listen to his heavenly song. Okay, heavenly song of his Tansen's teacher. Tansen accepted the king's wish, and then said that it would be better if the king went as a poor slave, because his teacher was above all worldly things, means worldly things, and he did not think that king was a worthy person. And if he thought that king was a worthy person, then he could not means sing to the Akbar. Okay, and like this way Akbar and Tansen went there. Akbar was dressed like a slave there, and at last they reached up to the mountain, and that time Tansen and Akbar knelt at the Guru's feet, and they requested him to sing a song, for because they had a journey a long distance towards here to sing his song. The teacher, means the Ustad, was happy, and here he sang a song of peace and happiness. He sang the Malkas Raga, means Tansen's teacher, he sang the Malkas Raga with such a great happiness that the birds and beasts gathered to hear. Birds and animals also gathered to hear, and because of this magical song. And that time Akbar felt that he was dreaming, because he just heard the song which was very means magic, which was very magical. But when he turned to praise Ustad, he found that he had vanished. Means when he turned to praise to the Ustad or the teacher, that time what he saw? He saw there his guru was vanished. His guru was disappeared there. Akbar asked Tansen what the magical composition was that the Sahu means his soul was really enchanted, okay, and made his heart feel intense because he get their intense delight, he get their intense happiness. And when he knew the name, he asked Tansen if Tansen could sing the same composition in the same way to tempt his heart toward new roads. Whereupon Tansen replies that he could not sing that like this way composition because Tansen sang to Akbar, a human being, and his guru sang to the god. Okay. Tansen, whatever the Tansen sang, he sang for the Akbar, who was the human being, and his guru or his is that Ustad who sang for the god, and that's why he could not sing like this way, same composition. Okay, like this way the theme of this poem. Summary of this poem. And this theme of this poem is that means Akbar appreciating Tansen's singing goes to meet Tansen's teacher Ustad, and Akbar many things Akbar learn there. Okay, it's the shortly theme of this poem. Okay, and then what is the rhyming scheme of this poem? There is a rhyming scheme is AABB. Figures of speech is alliteration is there. Okay, and also there is alliteration, repetition, and alliteration is there, repetition is there. Okay, and inversion is there, and means the name of the poet is Hazrat Inayat Khan. Okay, Hazrat Inayat Khan. This is like this way. It is a short means you can write the appreciation of the poem, or if there is extract, to read the poem and solve the extract. It was easy to solve. Okay, thank you.